we're going to check out what my darling husband is doing. Hi, honey. What you doing? This is our beehive born. Wanna explain what you're doing?
Trying to make it level so the bees can build straight comb.
Oh, is that so? What are you going to do on the bottom though?
Huh?
Are you going to do something on the bottom?
No.
No? Not gonna put wood chips on it?
Maybe.
So what do you call that hive?
Bar Hive.
Oh, how big is it?
4 feet long. Not very deep, that's a problem. But it's long.
Is it better than the other hive?
I don't know. I don't know if any hive is better than another. But I like it. At least I think I'll like it.
In theory?
Yeah.
How does it look like when you open that thing? Oh, so there's a mirror?
A window
A
glass.
window glass. So you can see what's going on. Wanna let one of them? Oh, there's no thingy underneath. Oh, and there's netting on the bottom. Huh. 3 holes.
That will go out.
Oh, okay.
Those holes are going to be plugged because I'd rather have a top one like this right here.
Don't you think it'll be better if this is facing the other way?
No.
That way people can see the inside instead of walking all the way around.
No.
No.
Because the bees are going to be coming out on the other side.
Oh. And that's the east, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, when the sun comes up, that's why the holes are facing that way. Okay. Busy as a bee, my honeybee. So this one is a divider.
Yeah. 2 dividers.
So how many colonies are you gonna put in there? Just one? Just one group of bees, or you're gonna put a couple?
1.
Just one?
Yeah. That's just 1. This will get filled up pretty fast, I think. That one, that's got a lot more room than this one because it's deep. But I don't want to do the box on top of a box on top of a box, and I got time for that. But I think that the bees will be happy in here.
So this is our shiny new toy.
At least I seen one at a friend of ours' house, and the bees were happy there.
Okay. So in theory, the bees we're gonna have should be happy here.
Yeah, it's all about the bees being happy.
There you go. And hubby being happy. How about
And
Zoe? Is
we
Zoe
get
happy?
honey,
Yeah, she's happy.
she's strained.
Oh. Cool. Okay. Well, bye YouTube. Click the like button and subscribe. Bye.
Stay tuned.